Salman Khan and Lulia attended Arbaz Khan's 49th birthday at Taj Lands End, and guess what? They also helped to patch up with Malaika and Arbaz at the do. Yes, for all those who are a part of the Salman fandom, this is something they surely are gonna lap up because everyone is quite upset about the growing tension between the gorgeous Malaika and Arbaz. However, the birthday was perhaps the best place to put past tiffs behind and just be a part of the celebration, which Malaika surely did. Recently, Arpita Khan celebrated her birthday in London and now it is her bhai's turn. With things working fine for the Khandan, now all we need is a patch-up between Arbaz and Malaika to keep the happy quotient, and that sure seems to be happening. Well, when Sultan Salman is around with his bell, what else can we expect, hai na? What say, guys? Salman recently painted a portrait of his rumored lady love Lulia, and she gushed over it, calling it a bit diamond. We all do know that Bhai is a good painter, but this really takes the cake, for it is mesmerizing indeed. The pyar between this fab jodi is the most talked about now, and we wish that rumors of their possible marriage in November are true. Salman Khan with his upcoming tubelight with Kabir Khan has found to unwin, and how. The painting speaks volumes about Sallu's abilities. Meanwhile, we also are loving to see Lulia not miss any chance to express love for her beau. Word of their shadi has been doing the rounds, and we are only now waiting for an announcement. Lulia is always seen in all functions on Bhai's Khandan, and now we are wondering who will bell the marriage cat, hai na? Till then, it is painting time. What say, guys? Share your comments in below section. It is Salman and not Saif in Race 3. Salman Khan would be replacing Saif Ali Khan in the upcoming Race 3. Apparently, the actor is very much in demand, especially after his Bajrangi Bhaijaan and now Sultan. Notwithstanding his other roles in Cake, Bodyguard, etc., and Salman is a perfect people star. Now with the Race 3 in the making, it is Salman who has been approached. So what is cooking in the Saif camp? Why is he not back in Race 3? Is it because he's busy becoming a father, or is it because he's not so popular? Whatever the case be, we are gonna have fun watching Salman being a baddie in Race 3. After Salman's down-to-earth roles in Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Prem Ratan Dhan Payo and Sultan, we sure would not mind having a change in Bhai's roles, hai na? As for Saif, he better buck up, for being a dad sure has its challenges, but films are also a must. What say, guys? Whoa, Salman keeps Jacqueline waiting for 2 hours as he spends time with Deepika. Oh my god, imagine waiting for 2 hours for just an ad shoot. Well, this is what Salman Khan did to Jacqueline Fernandez as they were shooting for an ad. Just when the shot was ready, Sallu came to know that Deepika Padukone is also on the same floor shooting. He went up to her and got talking, and this meeting delayed the ad shoot for 2 hours. Also, Jacqueline, busy with judging Jhalak Dikhla Ja, got late for a press meet for the show. Rumors of Deepika to star in Salman's upcoming Tubelight thus got kinda confirmed, as everyone felt this is what the discussion could have been. Salman and our Piku are not very close, however, with the Tubelight rumors playing up, the two superstars have been bonding big time, and we are loving it, hai na? As for the ad shoot, well, it was delayed and done much to Jacqueline's inconvenience. All is fair when it is Deepika, kinda. What say, guys?
Rajat Barjatya, the managing director and CEO of Rajashri Productions, passed away on Friday at a hospital in Mumbai. He was the cousin of filmmaker Suraj Barjatya. Reportedly, Rajat was suffering from cancer. Rajat was the man behind the contributions made towards the success of the production house in the business front. Actor Salman Khan reacted immediately to the news of Rajat's death. Salman shared a friendly bond with Rajat. The two have worked together in many films in the past, the recent one being Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. Salu posted a picture with Rajat on Twitter with the caption, "Rest in peace, my brother, Rajat Barjatia." Barjatia took his last breath in Jaslok Hospital in Mumbai. The cremation ceremony was held today at 1 p.m. at Varle Crematorium, opposite the Four Seasons Hotel. Most of the renowned people from the Bollywood fraternity are expected to pay their final tribute to Rajat Barjatia at the cremation ceremony.
बच्चों ने क्या कुछ खास आपके लिए तैयारी की है?
बच्चों ने मुझे एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन कार्ड दिया है, मुझे केक दिया है, मुझे प्यार किया है, इससे बढ़ के क्या दिया। और गाड़ी उन्होंने ही दी मेरे को।
एक्चुअली हर साल ऐसा कोई होता है कि जहाँ बर्थडे के दिन लाइक यू नो द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट यू डू लाइक व्हेन यू गेट अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग लाइक देयर आर सम फ्यू थिंग्स व्हाट यू माइट बी यू नो यू ऐसी कोई
मैं मंदिर जाके पूजा करता हूँ पहले और फिर आई स्टार्ट माई डे लाइक।
बाबा
संजू सर,
हम हमेशा आपका बर्थडे मनाते हैं
जेल में, तो किस तरह से आप कुछ याद बता सकते, किस तरह से वहाँ बर्थडे मनाया करते थे और जेलमेट्स मनाते थे?
वहाँ यार जो भी ये लोग करते थे छोटे पैमाने पे जो अलाउड था, जैसे कि कुकीज़ बना के देते थे मुझे ऐसा कुछ, तो ऐसी बात नहीं है कि वहाँ प्यार नहीं मिला, वहाँ पे भी प्यार मिला। एंड आई थैंक द जेल अथॉरिटीज़ एंड जितने भी कैदी हैं, जितने भी हवलदार हैं, जितने भी सिपाही हैं, सब ने मुझे बहुत प्यार।
Well, I think the whole experience was memorable. First of all, you know, जब हम ऐसे वीडियो देखते हैं तो when you look at it, एक ऑडियंस की तरफ ऑडियंस की तरह जब आप लोग इसको देखते हो तो अलग लगता है. But when you're shooting it, it's not that much fun because there are like so many people looking at you. You have to be like, you know, there's a lot going on. तो ये जिस तरीके से आप अपने माइंड में सोचो ये वैसे नहीं होता ऑन सेट. And I think the most memorable experience would be the first time when we kissed in this video. He was the one feeling shy and not me. Yeah, so I think that much. I think the most memorable experience would be the first time when we kissed in this video. He was the one feeling shy and not me. Yeah, so I think that much.
Akshay's Rustam is up for a release, and imagine it is none but Salman Khan who has appealed to watch the flick. Yes, we saw the appeal that Bhai has made on Twitter, and we are sure this is gonna be a whammer for the flick.
हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के रुस्तम हिंद की फिल्म आ रही है, नाम है रुस्तम। 12 अगस्त को जाके देखिए अक्षय कुमार की फिल्म रुस्तम।
Of course, Akshay has certainly done a good job, and now we look forward to a wonderful role play by the Khiladi of Bollywood. Rustam is an upcoming film from Akshay, and one is only waiting to watch the intense film, which is really something to watch out for. Meanwhile, one only can make way for some interesting question because of Bhai's appeal. It is intriguing to see how Salman is one up on everyone yet has applauded the Rustam star. The movie is in the news for its real life script.
It seems that there is a little difference in opinion going on in the Bachchan family. Apparently, Amitabh Bachchan and Jaya Bachchan are disappointed with their bahu, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Wondering what must be the reason? Reportedly, Big B and Jaya Bachchan are annoyed with Aishwarya for doing intimate scenes with Ranbir Kapoor in Karan Johar's upcoming film "Ae Dil Hai Mushkil." Earlier, Kejo included lip-locking scene in the script between Ranbir and Aishwarya. However, since Ash showed her disapproval, Karan agreed to replace it with a fake kiss. Now, rumors has it that Amitabh and Jaya have requested director Karan Johar to completely cut out the kissing scene. When asked about the matter, a source close to the Bachchan family said, "We are a family of professionals and each one of us are conscious about family reputation. As of now, these might be just rumors and they aren't confirmed yet. So let's wait for the film to release in October this year."
Oh my god. Aishwarya Rai is a pivotal player in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, contrary to rumors that she's doing a cameo. But isn't Aishwarya's PR team the source from where we got the information that Ash is doing a cameo? So now this revelation that the Nimbuda girl is very much a major part of the Karan Johar flick is a big news for us. Enough to increase the interest quotient in the flick, which also has Ranbir Kapoor in a close scene with the Bachchan Bahu. Well, the Kapoors and Bachchans have a relation dating back to the time when Abhishek and Karishma were engaged. Interesting to see that it is Abby's wife and Karishma's cousin who would be cast together. However, what matters now is the fact that Starlet's manager has goofed up big time by not focusing on her role in the flick, and that is a big blunder. We wonder how the Miss World is gonna take this. Siddharth Malhotra and Katrina are riding high on success of the song Kala Chashma, in which Katrina rocks. But the trailer and motion poster of the film shows it is indeed Baar Baar Dekho. The film has already created the right hype, and now Karan Johar's directorial venture Ae Dil Hai Mushkil shall release its trailer with Baar Baar Dekho. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil is film produced and directed by Karan, and it has interesting story like of Ranbir Kapoor playing young boy in love with older women, the gorgeous Aishwarya Rai. Ae Dil Hai Mushkil has already piqued interest of the fans with trilogy of Anushka Sharma, Aishwarya and Ranbir Kapoor playing leads, and Karan taking up the director role after 4 years. With intimate scene between Ash and Ranbir, the fans are waiting for the release of trailer that can release in Diwali. It is sure one of the top most awaited films of 2016. Alright, so the Baar Baar Dekho trailer is out, and aren't we really stumped to see the outcome? Yes, and here are 5 reasons why it is a whammer. Katrina really looks hot in a neon bikini, and it really sets the trend for a lovely blend of hot and sensuous settings. As per the pics we sent earlier, here is a scorcher from the romantic scenes on the sea between Siddharth and Katrina. Katrina looks hot and sexy in a bathrobe, and it gives all the reasons for one to watch the movie now. Katrina and Siddharth look hot in their kiss together, and one really wishes to see more. So wait for the film. Kat's abs are something to watch out for, and look at them in the Kala Chashma song. The chemistry between Kat and Sid is really awesome, and one really has to watch out for this. Soon-to-be parents Nawab Saif Ali Khan and Begum Kareena Kapoor Khan took off on a mini vacation just before taking up parental responsibilities. Although we know that the couple's favorite holiday destination is Switzerland, this time we have no idea about where they are headed to. The two are expecting their first baby this December. Apparently, the hubby wants to spend some quality time with his Begum before her due date. Initially, Kareena was tight-lipped about her pregnancy. However, when the news started spreading, she gave in and confirmed her pregnancy to the media. Also, rumors had it that the soon-to-be mommy would take a maternity break, which upset Kareena. She turned down the rumors as baseless and also announced that her pregnancy has nothing to do with her career, and asked the media to not make her pregnancy a national casualty. Well, it's time we spare the couple a few days and let them have the time of their lives. Sushant Singh and Ankita Lokhande had awesome 6 years of relationship before heading to Brickville this year. But this couple is seriously setting up substandards of post-breakups. Even after their breakup, the couple still follows each other on the social networking sites. They still follow and check on each other on the microblogging site Twitter. Blocking, unfollowing and unfriend your ex is kinda common thing, but nah, this couple shows post-breakup they are good friends and being in touch and not at all wishing their breakup linen in front of all. Sushant, after 2 months break from social media, is active again and Ankita has posted her awesome hot sim pictures.